This is a tutorial for playing How to Catch a Dragon Auditory Comprehension for Boom cards. When you open up the deck, this will be the first card that you see. Clicking on this long rectangle will take you to a couple of short videos so that the student may acquaint themselves with the Chinese New Year as well as the dragon dance. Clicking on the red square will take you to this card, which will play a video explaining how to play this deck. Clicking on WH questions with cues will take you to this card. You'll see the written question as well as an option to hear the question, which is perfect for non-readers. Where is Mom cooking? There are two options for answers. If the incorrect answer is chosen, you will hear the sound effect and see a red circle with a line through it. With the correct answer, you'll hear a ding and a blue circle will be around the answer. After a correct response, the student will then advance to the next card. Clicking on the house will take you back to the option page. WH questions without cues takes you to this card. Again, you will see the written question along with the option for non-readers to hear the question read. After verbally answering the question, the answer may be checked by clicking on the magnifying glass, which takes you to the corresponding card with the cues. The student looks to see if his answer is correct. Clicking on the red arrows will take him back to the previous card. There he can answer his question as correct or incorrect. Again, clicking on the correct answer will proceed to the next card. Yes/no questions again have the written question along with the option for non-readers to hear the question. At the end of each section, you'll see an end button. Clicking that will terminate the deck. If you have any suggestions or comments, please email me at tnslp29@gmail.com.